Wagwan KK squad, it's your girl Kurly Krissy. Welcome back or welcome to my channel. I haven't done this in a while. Wow, 4:52 in the morning. I haven't slept as yet, guys. Tired is not even the word. I am ready to go to bed after this. It's raining this early in the morning, guys. It is raining right now. But anyways, guys, I had to come on here to show you guys these soft, juicy twists. I've been up doing my hair, doing these twists. I'm here to show you guys these products, to talk about these products, because baby, I said I didn't want to show you guys the whole process because I have like 2, 3, 4 videos of me doing twists. So I only have this piece left to finish and then I'll be going to bed. But why I really decided to record was because these products, I have to tell you guys about these products. Like, you guys know, whenever I'm using products and it works really well for my hair, I want to share with you guys. I want to let you guys know about it. By the way, guys, the shrinkage is real. Because I did my hair while it was wet, it's freshly washed, and yeah, this has a little stretch, but once it's twisted up, it's gonna shrink up just like all of them. But anyways, guys, let me show you guys the products. This is the most excited part. Listen, before I even tell you about these products, let's just take a close look at my hair. Just take a look at my hair. Just take a look, baby. Just take a look. Juicy, soft. But first off, let's talk about the Kerotin Curly Leave-In Conditioner. This right here, it's the Kerotin brand. It detangles, nourishes, and defines curls. It has argan oil, keratin, and shea butter. And all natural ingredients. But it smells so good and it does wonders to my hair. Like, oh my gosh. It also says, for best results, follow with the styling gel. That's what I'm coming with next, because baby, it's doing something to my hair. Like, stiff wear. This is the up close of the leave-in conditioner. Next up, we have the styling gel, which I am not a big fan of gels because my hair gets white residue easy and flaky and all that extra stuff. But this right here is not your typical gel. Alright, so this Kerotin styling gel defines waves and curls and manages frizz wear. It has marshmallow root, keratin, alabarbadensis. I don't know what that is. It's just natural. Honestly, guys, their ingredients are very good. Like, there's no added alcohol and all that extra stuff. It's my first time using the styling gel and the leave-in conditioner, but it's not my first time using hair products from this company. I have a video, I'll put it right here, where I did a mask using their product, a hair mask, like a hair treatment mask, and oh my gosh, that was bomb. Also, I used their oil, their keratin nourishing oil for hair and body. This is what I'll be using to oil my scalp once I'm completely finished with my twists. Alright, here's the up close of the nourishing oil. Oh, I didn't show you guys the gel. Let me show you. So this is the gel, guys. This is the gel right here, styling gel. And this is what the gel is looking like. It's not too thick, it's not too, you know, greasy and sticky, none of that. It's just perfect for styling. So it's enriched argan oil blend with natural ingredients. And also I just use this. You could use any oil of your choice, but I use this Africa's Best Ultimate Herbal Oil to seal in the moisture, meaning after I apply the leave-in conditioner and the styling gel, I'll use the oil to seal those two products in, so my hair can stay moisturized for a long time. Any oil of your choice. This is not a keratin brand, it's just a regular oil. So guys, make sure you take a screenshot of those hair products because you're gonna want to try them. Like, if I'm telling you and you're seeing for yourself the result it's giving me, like, I just want you guys to see how this product works for me. Guys, a little goes a long way. Trust me, you don't need a lot. This is even too much. A little bit goes a long way with just a little tiny bit of the gel. You don't need a lot. And then I'm just gonna add a tiny drop of the oil, like I said, just to seal in the gel and the leave-in conditioner. By the way guys, this is not a twist tutorial, so I won't be like giving you an in-depth how to twist, because I have like 3-4 videos sharing with you guys how I do my twist. I just want you guys to see how this product softens my hair. And oh shit, this is every time I record video this happens. Look at this. It's gonna eventually shrink up like the other ones, but juicy. I'm telling you guys, these products amazing. Like, I'm telling you guys, like, you won't lose trying these products.
Listen, wait me back.
Baby, what you wanna do? I'm ready to pull up on you. I'm ready to do what I do. This type shit have you wildin'. Last minute kiss to the highlights. Drip, drip, drip when you slide it. Bip, 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 baby, ride it. Don't hesitate when you take it, 'cause you know I like it. Taking up a date for you. Sweet little nigga when you bite it. Can't just keep talking about it. We've been too often about it. Can't just be cautious about it. I wanna get wild. Take me for a ride, but show me your outside. Know it's been a while, but I wanna get wild. I wanna drive you crazy. Pull up inside me, baby.
Alright guys, so I'm all done with my twist. Oh my gosh, it took a long time, I ain't gonna lie, but that's not why I'm here. That's besides the point. The point is these products need to be known. Like, you guys need to try these out. So now I'm gonna be using the nourishing oil, the keratin nourishing oil. I'm gonna be oiling my scalp with that. I'm just gonna be running this through the parts. Oh, it feels so cool. Like, all right, calm down, calm down. Oh my gosh, it just feels so relaxing. Like, it feels so good on my scalp. Ooh, I have dry scalp, so this makes it feel relaxing, you know, just relaxing. Guys, it's raining like crazy. Oh, even on the oil, the, what do you call this? This is not a syringe. Is it a syringe? It has like the milliliter, like it's telling you how much you're using, you know. Especially in the center right here, always itchy, so that's where I need to put most of the oil. It just feels cool on my scalp, man. All right, not too much oil because I already have products in my hair. So probably like 2 days from now I'll apply more oil because my hair gets dry easily. But let's see how this product works. The back is already dry and it, oh my gosh, this is gonna last. I know this is gonna last. These twists, the back is already like fully dry and I can feel like no frizz, nothing. Like, come on, get into the softness, get into it, get into it, get into it, man. Anyways guys, so for these hair products, I'm gonna leave a discount code on the screen and also in my description box. Use that code to get discounts. I forgot if it was like 10 or 15% off or 20%. I forgot because I've been using their products for like 2 years now, so I forgot the discount. But I'll leave the information how much discount you'll be getting off, same in the description guys. But let me give you another up close of these twists. Anyways guys, thank you so much for watching. Please remember to hit that bell so you can be notified when I post videos. Also, please remember to like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, don't forget to subscribe, and thank you so much for the support. Stay tuned for my next upload. Bye. I'm a savage.